So today in this video I'm going to tell you what are the major difference between Facebook ad and Bing ad, and if you are a complete beginner, you don't have much experience and budget, then in that case should you either use Facebook ad to promote your offers or Bing ad. So we'll tell you everything in a complete detail. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about what are the major differences between Facebook ad and Bing ad that you should consider whenever you are promoting any of your CPA offer or even your affiliate offers also. So the first difference is of CPC. CPC means cost per click, means cost that you are paying for a click when someone will click on your ad and then will go on your landing page and will do the stuff. So the amount of cost that you are paying to the traffic source for a click is called the CPC. So the amount of CPC that you are paying on Facebook is lot less as compared to the CPC that you are going to pay on Bing. So let's say for example you are targeting a make money online keyword on Bing ad and the same keyword you are targeting on Facebook. So on Bing ad you might be paying CPC of around, let's say, 40 cents or 50 cents, but on Facebook you will be paying like 15 cents or 20 cents depending on how well are your creatives, how well is your targeting. So the amount of CPC that you are paying on Facebook is less as compared to the amount of CPC that you are paying on Bing. So if the CPC that you are paying on Bing is high, it means that you have to spend more money to get the same amount of traffic on Bing ad as compared to the money that you are going to spend on Facebook ads. The second difference between Facebook ad and Bing ad is about detailed targeting. With detailed targeting, I mean that how well you can target a person on Facebook ad as compared to the person you are targeting on Bing ad. Facebook ad has a very detailed targeting option, but that detailed targeting is little missing over a Bing ad, because in Facebook you can target the person on the basis of age, gender, relationship status, his interest and his income status and everything else. But on Bing ad you can target the person only on the basis of his age, gender, country, and on the basis of the keyword that he is searching for. So if you really want to narrow down your targeting and you really want to show your ad to the person who clicks on your ad and go to your landing page and buys your product, then in that case you should consider Facebook ad if you know how to do detailed targeting. But if you don't know how to do detailed targeting, then in that case you are okay with Bing ads also. The third difference between Facebook ad and Bing ad, and this is the major difference between the two, is audience mentality. Means whenever you are targeting a person on Facebook ad, he has a different mentality as compared to the person who is clicking on your ad on Bing ads. Because here you want to note that Facebook is based on want traffic and Bing is based on need traffic. Want traffic means that people are targeting you and showing their ads like, do you want shoes, do you want t-shirt, do you want new clothes, and etc. But in Bing ads, whenever someone will need anything, they will simply go on Bing and they will search and they will get the results of the ad and they will click on it and they will buy the product. So the conversion rate that you are going to get on Facebook is lot tough as compared to the conversion rate that you are going to get on Bing. So it's easy to convert a person on Bing ad as compared to convert a person on Facebook ad, because you will need to use a whole lot of funnels to convert the user and you have to show them retargeting ad. But that's not the case with the Bing ad, because whenever someone will require anything, they will simply go on Bing and they will search for it and they will come up with the search results and they will click in and they will buy the product. But in Facebook ad, you are showing the person ads again and again in a hope that they will buy your product. So that's the major difference between the Facebook ad and Bing ad, is about the audience mentality. The fourth difference between Facebook ad and Bing ad is about affiliate friendly, like which traffic source is more affiliate friendly, is it Facebook or Bing? So if I talk about in terms of affiliate friendly, then Bing is more affiliate friendly as compared to Facebook. You might have heard about people saying that my Facebook ad account has banned, my 10 Facebook ads accounts has banned. It's because that Facebook doesn't even give a reason like why they are banning your account. They simply just shut your account. Even if you did a very little mistake, then also they are going to shut your account. But that's not the case with Bing ad. Bing is very affiliate friendly. Even you can do direct linking on Bing, means you can promote your affiliate products, affiliate link without even using a landing page or the website. So that's the best thing of the Bing ad, that it is very affiliate friendly. So if you are a complete beginner, you don't don't know how to create the landing pages, website and all that stuff, how to create the sales funnel, then in that case you should always go with Bing ad, and you should never go with the Facebook ad, because Facebook ad is not affiliate friendly, but Bing ad is very affiliate friendly. If you want to know how to promote ClickBank products on Bing ad and MaxMonty products on Bing ad, then I have already made a video on this topic. If you haven't watched that video, I will give the link in description and in the I button also. You can go there and click there and you can watch that video. The fifth and the last difference between Facebook ad and Bing ad is amount of traffic that you are going to get. So the amount of traffic that you are going to get for the money that you are paying is very high on Facebook ad as compared to the amount of traffic that you are going to get on Bing ad, because Bing doesn't have that much of market share, that much people don't use Bing ad, so that's why the amount of traffic that Bing has is very less as compared to the amount of traffic that Facebook has, because a lot of people use Facebook but they don't use Bing, so that's why the amount of traffic that you are going to get on Facebook is lot high as compared to the amount of traffic that you are going to get on Bing ad. And now let's talk about what is my personal opinion, that you should use Facebook ad or Bing ad to promote your affiliate offers or CP offer. See, if you're a complete beginner, you don't know how to create the landing pages, you don't know how to create the website, you don't know how to create the sales funnel, you want easy conversions and you want a traffic source that is affiliate friendly at the same time, then you should always go with Bing ad, and you should never ever go with Facebook ad, because if you are going on Facebook, then you will need to use a landing page or a sales funnel, and the conversion is tough on Facebook ad and it is not affiliate friendly at the same time. You need to know everything in and out before you even consider Facebook ad to promote your offer. So make sure you know all of the stuff before you even consider Facebook ad for the promotion. So I hope you like this video. If it did, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye, take care.